Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rishi, and this is episode 8 for Mental Metrics. This video is going to be much shorter than other videos because I'm just going to continue on one of the previous techniques we have learned in maths. Without any further ado, let's begin. So, if you have been following the channel, you would realize that we have already done a video on squaring numbers. In that video, the main focus was squaring two-digit numbers. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can do the exact same method for squaring three-digit numbers. So if you're unsure of the fundamentals of how to square, I would highly recommend you to pay a visit to that video so that you have a basic understanding. So to square a three-digit number, so let's take a random number. For example, 213. So in the method that we learned in the previous video, you have to go to the nearest zero. So for example, if you have 24, the nearest zero will be 20. Then if you go down 4, you have to go up 4. So you will have 28. So using the same concept, the closest zero to 213, technically it is 210. But calculating mentally with the number 210 is a bit more challenging. So what we would do is we would go directly to 200. So we go down by 13, so we have to go up by 13, where we will have 226. So before we move any further, I would recommend you to master two-digit number squaring first, because it's very useful if you know that, so that here you will have a much easier time. And then we just use the exact same method back again. So we will multiply these two together. 226 times 200. So we just multiply 226 with 2, where we will get 4, 5, and 2. Then we just add the two zeros at the back. So we have 0 and 0. And then here, remember we went up by 13 and down by 13. So we take the square of 13 and add it right here. So 13 squared, this is why you need to be very good with squaring two-digit numbers. 13 squared will give you 169. So if you add them up together, you will get 45369. So the answer is 45,369. And also, let's add in another method we learned in one of the previous videos, which is to calculate from left to right. This is a famous technique used by mathematicians all over the world to say the number or to say the answer even without knowing the whole answer. So for instance, if they're doing these calculations, since we know that 45 is going to be the first two digits, the mathematicians will start off by saying 45,000. So while they're saying the number 45, they are still calculating inside their mind. It gives the audience the illusion that they are calculating at lightning speed. But even without that illusion, they are still calculating at lightning speed. But it's just that it gives the extra effect of them being able to say the answer without even a single pause. So I will show you one more example. Let's go with 469. So 469 is more than 450, which is the halfway mark. So it will go up to 500. And we will go up to 500 by 31. Then we go down 31 as well. So we will have 4, 3, and 8. So you multiply 500 and 438. And you will get the answer of 219000. Remember to add these two zeros at the end, and then add the square of 31, which is 961. There we have it. So if you add those together, you will get 219,961. That's it. That's all we have to do to square 3-digit numbers. This video is just to show you the power of this technique, which can be used for 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, even 5 digits. And if you are willing to give it a try, you can even go for 6 or 7. With that, we have come to the end of this video. As usual, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.